So your speed is criminal. I did not write you a criminal ticket. For this, I think I can get my point across, and I think
You definitely did.
See? So I don't think you're going to travel that fast anymore, and we could leave with just this.
Am I the only one who gets pulled over maybe once or twice a month, and once or twice a month, if they can give me a ticket, they do? I mean, am I the only one? Because it feels like there's so many people who get hammered by these pigs.
Construction workers get struck and killed every year, all over Arizona and all over the United States. It's a dangerous job enough just to be working on the side of the road. 56 and tinted windshield. Oh, really?
You're not allowed to have a muscle car. I'm the only one who can seize people's money and have a muscle car.
What's up, man? How you doing? That's actually not true. See your driver's license.
What did I do?
Let me see your driver's license.
Hey, film me, Mom. Come, I'm getting harassed. Don't touch my car.
Getting harassed.
What did I do? I wasn't speeding. I was following my mother.
Okay.
So
Do you know what? Let me see your driver's license.
What was I doing?
I'm not going to ask you again, or I'm going to put my hands on you.
It wasn't even 10 seconds before Frank threatened him with physical violence. So, because of the 1968 holding of Terry versus Ohio, Frank has the right to put his hands on anybody at any time in the name of officer safety.
Let me see your driver's license.
Dad, can you come here? I have it. Stop. Just give me my...
There we go. So, posted speed limit. Well, you're in public, so there's no expectation of privacy. No, there's not. There is not in public. So you're in a.
I ran a what?
Did I say run anything?
Okay, can you just off instead of being a... Like you're being rude. For what?
What about...
So when you're driving a vehicle, and unless you flip the cop off and he pulls you over and you have it on camera, then you can say, I'm not going to give you my ID, my license or registration. However, if that cop pulls you over and you're driving a car, you have to present your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
So I bought my car like this.
Okay.
Can you just like stop hovering over me? Like...
No.
I'm gonna wait till my parents leave.
Okay. Hey, if you want to shut your door for me. Oh man, that's aggressive.
So now you're getting into a cucumber measuring contest with a jackboot thug pig.
If you're curious about what's wrong with society, it is absolutely everything about this stop.
It's you. Okay, I'm going to jump in here. Enforcing laws upon people is the exact opposite of John Locke's theory on natural law. John Locke's theory on natural law, which establishes the rule of law via the social contract. John Locke's theory on natural law states that the only reason laws were to be created at all when the people agree to be governed by a government is so that the government can create laws to protect the rights of the individuals in that society.
So it is this arrogant, condescending attitude. It is... Hi.
This is my son.
Okay.
I'm sorry. We just got...
Filming me.
It's okay. It's okay.
And you know,
I decided it's we're going back home to Gilbert.
Okay, he's speeding and he's gonna get a ticket. That's it.
he's touching my...
You are not free to go. Get back in your car.
Your car's out.
Isn't the cop car blocking his car in? You don't have to get back in your car. You don't have to do what this pig demands of you.
You started touching me.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Okay.
Frank can open his car door because of the Pennsylvania versus Mims case. And what is the holding that is the foothold, the jurisprudence for Pennsylvania versus Mims to exist? The 1968 case of Terry versus Ohio. The cop could not open your car door, could not order you out of the car without Terry versus Ohio creating the jurisprudence for Pennsylvania versus Mims in 1977. Do you understand how destructive Terry versus Ohio is now?
He has a problem. I will make this as quick, as painless as possible. However, that action deserves repercussions.
New state return.
Unbelievable.
New state return.
Oh, and he's suspended. And he's admin per se suspended, which means it's criminal.
Oh, it's everything's criminal, isn't it? Have you heard that?
Couldn't have happened to a nicer guy. So the driver of this vehicle is admin per se suspended, meaning that he was arrested in this particular case for DUI drugs previously and has a subsequent license suspension. How old is he?
He's 19.
Oh, okay.
You are the star of the Pinal County Sheriff's Department TV show, whether you like it or not. Whether you want to be the star of their show or not.
Okay, so
We're just
he's an adult and he's got adult stuff. So can I talk to him, please? Did you happen to see the 35-mile-per-hour signs that were there?
No, sir. I thought it was a 45.
Okay. They're big. They're posted on the side of the road there. There's no big deal for this. There's no points on his license as a result of it. Because there's so many uninsured drivers in the state of Arizona, we make it very easy for us to take care of it. But we also document it when we see it. All you have to do is show that on today's date and time that the citation was issued, that insurance was in place, and they dismiss the citation. There's no fine, and that's per state statute.
Okay.
You know, this is a PSY operation. When you get pulled over with a suspended license, and then you tell the cop that you think he's a piece of trash, the cops arrest you. This is the Pinal County Sheriff's Department doing a PSYOPS on us. On us.
And then the other thing is having improper material on your windows and or windshield. Obviously, having any sort of tint on your windshield's illegal. And when you drove by, I couldn't see. I had no idea how many people were in here because it was all black because it's illegally tinted.
No, it's not.
There's no stipulation in Arizona state law for transfer of a vehicle. Fact of the matter is that there's material on the window. Every year, there's hundreds of people are struck or killed on the side of the road that are just working.
Because of tinted windows. Is that what we're supposed to believe?
I mean, they're just there. They're doing their job. They're working. And, you know, when someone that disobeys all this signage goes through and does something stupid and changes someone's life.
Your registration, proof of insurance, and your ID go on a laminated card that you took a photocopy of your driver's license. This is obviously Brad Pitt from Hollywood Boulevard, William Bradley Pitt. It's not me. But your license is a photocopy of your license with the back plain as day. It goes in this card. This card then slips right into your trifold. Everything then goes up in your visor. Your license, your registration, your proof of insurance, everything you need is right there. No reaching around, no the cop going, well, that's a good start. Oh, this insurance card's expired. You don't want to deal with the jackboot thug pig. You want everything up in your visor right there. You have it all rubber banded in, right up in your visor. Everything's up in your visor. Then you give him your license, registration, and proof of insurance, and then you give him the card. I invoke my Fifth Amendment right.